going on, home wrenchers? Ain't talked to you guys for a while. We've been working on this Escalade a little bit. Put a starter on it. Got it running on its own fuel tank. Got a couple other projects coming to the channel. But I wanted to stop and take a minute and talk to you guys. You know, 94.327 carry to 1. Anyway, most of you that watch, you haven't clicked that little subscribe button. And I also have membership perks for you guys. For 99 cents a month, you can become an apprentice home wrencher and get the stuff that comes with being a member, you know. I don't know, you go on the button wherever it is there and you click the thing and it tells you all the good stuff that you get. You might get to eat pancakes with me. Or maybe I'll send you some of this garbage that's down here in my driveway that I don't pick up. You know? And for $2.99, you could become a novice home wrencher and get all that stuff that's included with that, and then more stuff to go with the other stuff. It's a bunch of stuff, you know? And for $6.99, you could be a master home wrencher. And guess what? You can hang out with me, drink cold snacks, help me fix bloody knuckles, wrap them with electrical tape, WD-40, stick it in some gas. I mean, you might be able to sit back and drink a cold snack with me when we go to events and venues. We're going to be in Bowling Green for Ford Fest this year with the Snotwad Lincoln. This will be parked out in the parking lot, but you know, if y'all want to go for a ride or look under the hood, you're more than welcome. Come on over and talk to me and Mama Bunny and Dominic and Christopher and AJ. And you can also go to our website and pick up some of my signature coffees that I've had made. It's just sitting on the shelf. Nobody is buying it. I guess I'm going to start drinking coffee. Oh, I'm going to be wired for sound. But we got all kinds of stuff coming to the channel. We're going to finish up the rest of this Escalade. Behind the camera over here, you can't see it because it's behind you. If you turn around and look, you can see it. Yeah, this thing right here. Bought it real cheap. Said the transmission's trash. Nope. It's an automatic manual transmission. I know that makes no sense. It's a manual transmission, but the computer shifts it and it has actuator things with little motors and whirligigs. And the computer says, hey, you need to shift gears or you're going to blow my motor. So it shifts gears. And it's got a clutch. Well, I took it apart and guess what? The clutch actuator broke the shift fork and the clutch fork. So we're going to pull that apart, replace the clutch and the forks in this thing, and get it going down the road again. Because this is going to be Dominic's car. And we got all kinds of stuff coming on this too. We're going to do some headlight swaps and some blackouts and some wheel stuff and maybe some audio. I don't know. We'll see what happens when it gets there. But what I'm saying is click that button, click that little bell, get notified when I drop a new video. Check us out on the channel. If you like me, tell me you do. If you don't, tell me you don't. That way I know if I can keep doing this stuff or if I need to just stop and take up knitting. I'll probably hurt myself doing that too. And, you know, if you got 99 cents a month you can spare, consider joining a membership. You know, and super chats and all those things really help out. It helps the channel grow. It helps me afford to do things for the channel to entertain you guys and also better the boys and teach them something in the process. I work 7 days a week and I don't get much time off to do anything. And when I do, I'm out here either working in the yard, making videos for you guys, or getting a workout. You know, cold snacks. But give it a thought. I would really enjoy you guys to stick around, subscribe. And those of you that are watching my videos and not subscribing, it don't cost you nothing. Just click that button, subscribe. Helps the channel out. It does stuff with the things and makes glitter and confetti, sunshine, rain. No rain. No rain. No rain. Well, until next time, guys, y'all have a good day. I love each and every one of you. And all of you new to the channel, I love you too as well. And God bless. Well, hold up. Stop the video. Or, no, don't stop the video. Start playing the video, just stay watching for a minute. Big news. We got another giveaway coming to the channel. We're going to do another video with Super Clean, and we're going to give you the chance to win a giveaway gift item from Super Clean, from my partners at Super Clean. They will send you a gift box with their product, and I'm also going to throw in a shirt, a hat, maybe some parts off of Escalade. Our last giveaway winner was Doc Zoidberg, and he also has started his own channel now. And he's the GM Geezer, I think. Guru GM Geezer. It'll be in the description. You know, there's a lot of great people in this community doing this stuff. And I want to get a shout out to Whiskey Dents and his comments and him coming to the channel here now. And maybe in the future we get together and we can do a build together. I don't know. Maybe we just play Frisbee and drink beer. It's up to him. I know how to weld. He knows how to weld. Maybe we can weld each other's wedding bands together. I don't know. But check us out. We got a giveaway coming from Super Clean. And we're going to have more videos on Lincoln and Escalade and El Rojo. I don't know, have a name for that red thing I showed you yet. But like I said earlier, love you guys. Subscribe. Join the membership. Love you guys. Have a great day. God bless.